Question. A man can swim 5 kilometers per hour in still water. If the velocity of the stream is 3 kilometers per hour, the time taken by him to swim to a place 20 kilometers upstream and back is? Options are: Option A, 12 and a half hours. Option B, 13 1 by 3 hours. Option C, 15 hours. Option D, 17 1 by 4 hours. And option E, none of these. Let's see the solution. In the statement they given that a man can swim 5 kilometers per hour in still water. So here is a man and the man swims 5 kilometers per hour in still water. And in the next statement they given that the velocity of the stream is 3 kilometers per hour. So here the velocity of the stream is 3 kilometers per hour. Now in the question they are asking the time taken by him to swim to a place 20 kilometers upstream and back. So here upstream speed equals to speed of the man minus speed of the stream. That is 5 minus 3. That equals to 2 kilometers per hour. And downstream speed equals to speed of the man plus speed of the stream. That is 5 plus 3. That equals to 8 kilometers per hour. So the time taken by the man to swim to a place 20 kilometers upstream and back is distance by upstream speed plus distance by downstream speed. That is 20 by 2 plus 20 by 8. After solving this, we get 12.5 hours. So the answer is option A, 12 and a half hours.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn 4 more and check our channel for complete free learning videos.